I've been getting a lot of questions about fabric. So for this design here, the pink, the lavender, and the purple, those are all what we call two-way stretch. Now, if you go on Amazon, the vendor has it listed as polyester, but this is not polyester. This is two-way stretch. This fabric is 5 feet wide and 10 feet long. So because my ceilings go up to like 8 feet, you want to try to buy your fabric like 2 feet longer than the height of your backdrop. Okay, so two-way stretch comes from Amazon and it's 10 feet long. Okay, so moving on to this fabric here for my base layer. This silver fabric. This is crushed or crinkled taffeta. I kind of get it mixed up. This here is 12 feet long. It has the wrinkles built in for you. So that's the convenience of having the wrinkles built in. You don't have to worry about wrinkles. And then this comes from the Posh Academy. So again, two-way stretch, crinkle or crushed taffeta. Those are the type of fabrics that I'm using for my backdrop.